Bureau Waardenburg is an independent ecological consultancy based in the Netherlands. Founded in 1979 by Hans Waardenburg, who at the time played a decisive role in the Dutch Delta Works. We have now grown to over 125 employees and recently celebrated our 40th anniversary. Bureau Waardenburg has more than 20 years of expertise in ecological studies related to wind farms, onshore and offshore. We carry out aerial surveys to monitor seabirds and marine mammals in the Dutch part of the North Sea throughout the year. With this information, we can calculate population sizes and create distribution maps and density maps. We regularly conduct GPS tracking studies to quantify bird behavior in and around wind farms. With this detailed data on flight patterns and flight heights, we can study habitat loss and barrier effects. Bureau Waardenburg has been using different types of special bird radars for over 25 years. In 2018, we became the first consultancy in the world to own a Robin Radar Max full 3D bird radar. This radar gives us unique insights in behavior of flying birds and how birds react to wind farms, both day and night. Offshore, we operate several different types of bird radars. Coupling these devices to high-resolution cameras will make species identification possible in the near future. All this information is used in models to calculate numbers of bird collisions in wind farms and to quantify the effects at population level, giving us powerful information to advise on subjects like temporary shutdown. Bureau Waardenburg also has a long history in studying marine ecology. We have our own professional diving team. We study the possibilities for ecological enhancement in several offshore wind farms, including the restoration of shellfish reefs and the design of eco-friendly scour protection. Bureau Waardenburg believes in the strength of cooperation with other consultancies and institutes. We are looking forward to working with you towards a nature-friendly energy transition.